Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to use the function min or minimum in Microsoft Excel. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I have here several values in my cell. A1 we have 56, A2 we have 34, A3 we have negative 67, A4 1, and A5 57. So the mean function in Excel will determine which of the five values that is being given in each cell has a smallest numerical value. In this case, it is very obvious that negative 67 is the smallest value. So how to use it? Very simple. Just here on the taskbar, we type equals min, and then we will give the coordinate A1 colon A5, close parenthesis, press the enter key. We have the result of negative 67. Okay, another example. We have 8, negative 89, 34, negative 454, and then we have 2. Okay, so we have here A1 negative 8, A2 negative 89, A3 34, A4 89, A5 negative 54. So the smallest value is negative 54. So again, we issue a command equals min A1 colon A5, close parenthesis, enter. We have B1, correction, B5. Okay, so we have negative 54. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to use min function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.